Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to reset a Honda Pilot 2009 oil light. So first go to oil life, go to that thing, and then when you're there it will show you that percent you have, and then the only thing you have to do, you have to press it like with the ignition on. After that it's going to blink. After that you let it go and push again. So when it's blinking a lot, you let it go and they'll go back to it. And then we'll come like that. So when it's like that, you're all done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.